today we will solve the example related to T-beam. So basically we have two examples, one is for analysis and one is for design. So whatever we do basically in the analysis, the reverse of is basically design. I have placed the recorded video as well on MS Team. Let me play that video first. Yes, are you able to see that flexure analysis and design of beam, T-beam example?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm going to play that video first and then I will take your questions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim of the example, and we will try to find out the moment capacity or flexure capacity. Fy is 420.85, Fc dash is given which is 20 and B is given which is 800. So we will get 120.5 millimeter. So if we want to calculate C, C is equals to A divided by beta 1 and we will get 141.5 millimeter. So this value of C is actually greater than HF, meaning to that our neutral axis is lying outside the flange. It is not inside the flange, it is outside the flange. So we will calculate ASF and then we will calculate ASW. So ASW we got 1965 millimeter square. We will calculate A, which is ASW divided by ASW into Fy divided by 0.85 Fc dash into BW. If we plug these values, we will get 138.7 millimeter. Now we need to calculate AL, which is beta 1 3 by 8D, and we will get 143.4 millimeter. If A is less than or equals to AL, the limiting tensile strain is produced in the steel and we can use phi B equals to 0.9. So now flexure capacity is actually equals to phi B Mn, and tensile we are calculating that flexure capacity with respect to tensile. As I told you earlier in the lecture, we can calculate from compression side or we can calculate from tension side. So in this case we are calculating from tension side, so it is phi B ASW Fy into D minus A by 2 plus phi B ASF Fy into D minus beta 1 HF by 2. If we plug all these values, we will get moment capacity or flexure capacity equals to 573 kilonewton meter. Now we need to calculate moment capacity for case number 2. Again we need to assume that neutral axis is within the flange. So A is equals to AS Fy divided by 0.85 into Fc dash into B. AS this time we have 3000. So if we plug all these values, we will get A equals to 92.6 millimeter. Now C is equals to A over beta 1, which is 109, which is less than HF. Therefore, it can be concluded that neutral axis lies within the flange and T-beam behaves like a rectangular section or rectangular beam of dimension B by D. Now moment capacity for rectangular section is phi B AS Fy into D minus A by 2. If we plug these values, we will get moment capacity equals to 457.8 kilonewton meter. This concludes the example. This example is actually from Zaid Ahmed Siddiqui book from chapter number 4, and this is example 4.3. I would highly recommend kindly go through that example again and read from the book as well. Gee, all right. So guys, this is the analysis example of T-beam. One thing I just want to clarify here, this value, if A is less than AL, this will basically ensuring that our section is tension controlled. If we have tension controlled, then we can use phi B equals to 0.9. So kindly go through that example again from the PDF and let me know if you have any question. ये इस एग्जाम्पल को एक दफा दोबारा आप PDF से देखें और मुझे बताएं इससे रिलेटेड अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है. Gee guys, any questions from that particular example? ये क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहे हैं इस पार्टिकुलर एग्जांपल से? Alrighty, so let me solve with you now the design example. I have already placed that design example as well on MS Team. Um, this is basically example 4.4. So we have given data, and from given data we have designed the beam, maybe T-beam or rectangular beam. So first thing is that we need to calculate A in that problem. If from A we need to calculate actually C. If C is less than HF, if meaning to that our neutral axis lies inside the flange, then we have to design as a rectangular, simple rectangular beam. But if our C is greater than HF, then we need to design as a T beam. We will calculate ASF, we will calculate ASW, and we will show the reinforcement. So I would say kindly go through that again, that PDF form, and let me know if you have any question. This is just replication of previous thing. You have to solve that question in reverse order. जो आपने एनालिसिस किया है उसका बेसिकली रिवर्स करना है, बट स्टार्ट अगेन वहीं से होगा. यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट द ए वैल्यू. And I have already placed that on MS Team. So guys, kindly go through that and let me know if you have any question related to that. Guys, are you able to listen my voice? आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes sir.
जी, इससे रिलेटेड कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं?
Yes sir.
जी बताएं।
सर ये सेल्फ रेट निकला है, इसकी थोड़ी सी बता दें।
सेल्फ वेट, ये फैक्टेड सेल्फ वेट, ये जैसे बेटा आप लोगों ने पहले निकाला है, अगर हम अज्यूम कर लें कि 125 जो है वो थिकनेस है, राइट, ठीक है, स्लैब की, और टोटल जो है वो एच जो है 575 है, ठीक है, तो ये हमने स्लैब वाला पार्ट रिमूव करके बेसिकली सेल्फ वेट ऑफ बीम निकाला हुआ है।
उसके बाद जब रिवाइज किया तो रिवाइज वैल्यू कहाँ से आई है सर? ये 806,
ये 80, ये रिवाइज दिस वन।
ये सर ये कैसे अज्यूम की?
ये कैसे अज्यूम की आप कह रहे हो? नॉर्मली
Yes.
हम स्मॉल ए और कैपिटल ए को देखते हैं ना, कि अगर वो वैल्यू सेम सेम आ जाए पिछली, तो उस वक्त तक हम 2 से 3 ट्रायल नॉर्मली करते हैं ना। आपने रेक्टेंगुलर बीम में पढ़ा होगा, नॉर्मली हम 2 से 3 ट्रायल जो है करते हैं। अगर हमारी वैल्यू है पिछली वैल्यू के करीब आ जाए, तो हम फिर वो वैल्यू यूज कर लेते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल पहली वैल्यू हमारी आई दैट इज 884, जब हमने उसके बाद दोबारा रिवाइज की तो हमारी वैल्यू आई 806। अब जब इस वैल्यू को दोबारा रिवाइज किया तो हमारी वैल्यू आई 805। नॉर्मली हम तब तक ट्रायल करते रहते हैं जब तक हमारी जो एएस है बेसिकली प्रीवियस वैल्यू के इक्वल आ जाए। फॉर एकेडमिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आई वुड से कि आप जस्ट 2-3 ट्रायल कर लें। ये डॉक्टर कासी ने आपको बताया होगा इससे रिलेटेड। All right guys, so I am going to end that meeting. इसको एक दफा काइंडली घर जाके हाथ से जरूर एक दफा कीजिएगा। गाइस आपके मिड टर्म कब है, आपको स्केड्यूल के बारे में पता चल गया? गाइस आपके मिड टर्म से रिलेटेड स्केड्यूल का आपको पता चल गया कि नहीं?
यस सर, 5 जुलाई।
5 जुलाई से। और चलें हम इसके ऊपर बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे। मैं डॉक्टर काजी साहब से पूछ लूं, फिर हम इसके ऊपर डिस्कस करते हैं मिड टर्म से रिलेटेड, ठीक है? Alright guys, I am going to end the meeting. So in the lab we will see the impact test. Alright, thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.